just putting in my inverter in my battery box. Put one of these in, you always want to make sure you have a fuse link in it in case something goes wrong. And I always use butt connectors, barrel connectors. A lot of people call them different things, but some people use wire nuts, and I don't like using wire nuts on 12-volt stuff. And make sure on your fuse link, it's your hot leg, make sure your white stripe wire matches up with your fuse link, or the leg with the fuse on it. But trying to get everything put together. Be back in a little while. Alright, got those hooked up. I'm going to pull my inverter wire through the hole on my battery box and get enough to place it where I want it. And I put a lot of excess on this so I can use it on the tailgate of the truck or outside if I want. Put that in there. And then we just hook our hot to our hot. Our ground to our ground. There we go. And later on I'll put the battery in there and it'll be ready to go. It's on charge now. And I got a solar panel coming I'm going to put in to keep it maintained when I'm not around the power source. This camper thing's been going a little slower than I expected because work has been nuts. But slowly but surely I'm getting it there. I appreciate you guys hanging in there with me, and there'll be more to come. Thanks.